Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Instagram and creating a new reel. Choose the duration that fits your message. Import clips from your camera roll or record directly. This gives you higher quality source files. Once imported, trim each clip to remove dead space so pacing stays tight. Make sure to enable align and drafts so you can reposition clips and continue later. You're setting a clean timeline. This avoids having to redo timing and keeps your edits non-destructive for final tweaks. Now refine each clip, trim and split where action starts or ends, and reorder to improve narrative flow. Pinch to zoom the timeline for precise cuts. Add audio next. Choose a track, keep original sound, or record a voiceover. Adjust individual clip volume so dialogue isn't drowned out. Then apply filters, AR effects, stickers, and time text. Make sure to position and keyframe text so captions appear when relevant. These layered tweaks turn rough footage into a cohesive. Finish by previewing the entire reel at full speed. Enable auto captions and pick a cover that displays well on the grid. Once satisfied, set your audience, add a concise caption with hashtags and location, and share, or save as draft if you want more polish. If posting fails, try one troubleshooting step. Clear app cache, update Instagram, or export the edited video to your phone and re-import it into a new reel. This resolves most upload and rendering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.